Hey Queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm giving you guys another affordable human hair headband wig option, and you know I love me some headband wigs. Okay, so this wig is human hair. I'm trying to dip my little toes in some human hair headband wigs, and I'm super excited to show y'all because this is actually one that I really like. So if you are not subscribed here, I hope that you will consider subscribing. I think you would love it here, and I think you would appreciate all the fun things we do over here on this channel. If you are still a little unsure, I dare you to look in those comments and read some of those comments and see all the love and joy that goes down over here. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate you as always, and I hope that your notification bell is turned on. So in this video, we're gonna cut up, we're gonna have a little bit of fun, but I'm also gonna tell you about this beautiful wig that I'm really feeling, and I'm gonna tell you why. So, without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin'. Yes! Okay, Queen, so like I said, this is a human headband wig option, and this one comes from the company Mslynn. I want to shout out Mslynn and thank them for sponsoring this video and sending me out this wig so I can show all my queens, my homegirls, what's popping over at their company. So you guys, this is a 24-inch deep curly headband wig, and I'm really liking this one. I like it more than I thought I was gonna like it because y'all know I have been trying a ton of headband wigs, and I was afraid it was gonna get repetitive, but it's like with each different headband wig, it's just like a whole new vibe, and that's exactly what this wig is giving me over here. One thing I'm really feeling about this wig is the density. This wig's density feels really natural to me. It's not too big. I actually did go in and rub my fingers through the hair, okay, and y'all know I don't really do that with curly wigs. If you watch a girl, you know me and curly wigs, I don't like to make them huge, big, okay? And usually when you run your fingers through a wig, that's what you get. But I was so happy to see that I could run my fingers through this wig, okay? And she has not gotten that much bigger than when I took her out the pack. Come through, Mslynn. I like that. I don't like really big hair. I just like right in the middle, and that's what she's giving me. Like, look at me. The cap size is big head friendly, and it's honestly going to be like all head size friendly, I feel like, because you have that adjustable headband piece that is black that you can adjust. I also didn't experience any tangling with this wig. I did have just a little bit of shedding, but that's when I was running my fingers through the hair, and once I finished that, the shedding did taper off. So I'm really happy with the consistency and the quality of this wig so far. Now, they did give me some headbands to try, okay? Y'all know I love me a little free headband, okay? Bring the headbands over here, girl, because I'm always going to use them. And they gave me is actually like an olive green, which I think this is perfect for Christmas. They gave me 2 of these. I don't know if they meant to give me 2 or not, but I'm going to try one on. And yeah, I think she's going to be cute. Girl, who wearing this to the Christmas party? It might be me. Honey, look at me. I like this one now. Come through, okay? I could definitely see myself wearing this like to go get hot chocolate, okay? I hope that you will leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about this headband wig. Definitely tell me what you guys think, and let me know your thoughts on both. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in another video very soon. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later, girl. Bye.